With comprehensive experience in the restoration industry, Agile Equipment has been providing expert advice, equipment and products in tricky situations. Consider us a one-stop shop for the restoration industry, providing equipment, supplies and hire for water damage, mould and fire restoration, carpet cleaning and more. With same-day processing, we ensure you get what you need, when you need it, without delay. We have a fleet of vehicles with technicians on standby, ready to deliver, install and pick up at your convenience. Fully trained in internationally recognised IICRC certifications, Agile Equipment brings leading industry knowledge. We provide free expert advice to help you find the solution you need. We provide extremely competitive pricing backed with real-world experience, so you know you're getting the best value without compromising on quality or service. Our equipment and products are also fully tried and tested, so you can trust when purchasing from us.
As a family business, we have a personal touch to our services, building strong connections with our customers and treating every project with the care and attention it deserves. We personally go the extra mile to source the best solutions for your needs, ensuring that we chase up and deliver exactly what you're after.
You'd be hard-pressed to find another one-stop shop that also hosts IICRC Training, helping equip the restoration industry with the required expertise. We also provide equipment servicing and repairs by qualified technicians, so you can trust that your gear is always reliable and performing at its best.
For unmatched reliability, expert support and competitive pricing, drop by Agile Equipment. We're always happy to have a chat. Our main showroom is in Brisbane, just off the Gateway Bridge in Murray.